patience. Good morning, everyone. Once again, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. I will wait 1 or 2 minutes more for the students to join. Just Ruparelia joining late. Other students also joining late. Please join on time. It's already 9:02. Please join on time. I repeat again, please join on time. I repeat again what I said in the beginning. Please start preparing chapter number 11, 12, 13, 14 for your assessment. Start preparing. We will announce the dates and we will let you know, but start preparing. We will take the revision also. Chapter number 11, 12, 13, 14. Start preparing. We will take revision also of these chapters, and on the basis of the revision, we take the assessment also. There is no exam we take in the form of assessments. As you already know, till grade 5, we don't take exam. Uh,
Ma'am,
yes, Pranshu.
ma'am, I don't have sand and soil both.
It's okay. Mute your mic now. Pranshu. Yes. Sit with your camera on. I request everyone to sit with their camera on. I Haley, sit with your camera on, please. Okay, it's 9:04 now. I start my class. Mannat, maybe some network issue. You please log out and log in again. Children, am I
Ma'am, I
visible?
cannot also see you.
Okay, so let
No,
me
ma'am.
wait
No,
a minute. Is it like that you cannot see
I
me now?
can see. I can
ma'am,
see.
we can see
Ma'am,
you.
I can see it.
My dear
Ma'am, I
children,
can also see you.
pin me, pin on my board screen. Will able to see me. And please, I request everyone to sit with their camera on. Okay. I start my today's class as we already were doing some word problems, some story problems. Now I will give you one more situation. Write the heading word problem. I'll give you one more question. Please write these questions in your notebook and solve in the notebook. Everyone has to solve. Okay, the question is Mr. Gupta's refrigerator. Refrigerator, you all know, fridge, it is called. Refrigerator has a volume of 24 cubic meters. Cubic meters, because fridge refrigerator is big in size, so volume will come in meters, not in centimeters. So the Mr. Gupta's refrigerator has a volume of 24 cubic meters if it is 2 meter wide and 3 meter long. How high is it? In this case, please write in the chat box what you have to find out. Write in the chat box what you have to find out. Please write down the answer in the chat box. You have height, that is width or breadth, and you have length. So what you need to find out in this case? You already have learned how to find the missing value. Please start solving in your notebook without unmuting your mic. Pranshu, I request you to please mute your mic. Yes. Now, please solve it in your notebook, and after getting the answer, write it in the chat box.
Ma'am,
Yes, Arna.
ma'am, I sent my all worksheets to you, but you haven't rechecked it and sent it.
I will send you. Okay.
Ma'am, your board is not visible clearly. It is half
Wait a
visible.
minute. Wait a minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute.
Ma'am, I am writing, so you.
Yeah, I will check. My dear Judge Ruparelia, now you are only finding the height. The answer will not come in cubic. And the unit is here is meter. So height, Judge Ruparelia, whatever the query, please write in the chat box. Just only listen now. 4 cubic centimeter, your answer is wrong. Or if you are writing 4 cubic meter, then cubic word will not use because you only finding the height. In height, cubic will not come. Height either will come meter, centimeter, inches, feet. Because it's only one unit you are finding, one dimensional you are finding. So the formula of finding this, that you have volume. Finding the volume equals to length into breadth into height. Volume you have 24. Length you have 3. Breadth you have 2. Height is not there. You only write h. Bring it here. H equals to 24 divided by 6 is equals to 4 meter is the answer. Write down fast. Because this is 3 2s are 6. 6 will go down and 24 will come up. 24 divided by 6 is 4 meters. So now you understood how to find out the missing value. So the height equals to 4 meter in this. I'm going to erase the question. Either take the screenshot or note down fast.
Ma'am, you can rough the question.
Ma'am, you can erase the question.
Yes, Daksh Patel, please go. Now you have already learned how to find the missing dimensional, missing length. Now come to the next one. Sometime you come up across these kind of problems. आपको आती हैं कि एक आपको wall बनवानी है. Yes. और रूम में टाइल्स लगवाने हैं और whatever आपको करना है. Right. So how many bricks of size will be needed to build a wall? एक wall है. Wall के dimensionals जो हैं 45 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 5 centimeter dimensionals है एक wall के. So wall की shape क्या है? किस shape में है wall?
Rectangle. Rectangle.
My dear, अभी तो ये 3D shape तो आपको दिख नहीं सकता ना. You will not able to see, but by these values you can identify, ना? Which shape is this?
Yes.
It's
a cuboid.
Cuboid shape की wall है ना? Cuboid shape की wall है. So in the cuboid shape wall, 45 centimeter length, breadth is 12 centimeter, 5 centimeter की इसकी height है. इस वॉल को बनाने के लिए if I want to use some bricks, सबसे पहले I need to know the bricks का भी measurement क्या है, right? So this is wall measurement. Bricks measurement is 15 centimeter, 6 centimeter and 3 centimeter. ये bricks का measurement है. So wall को बनाने के लिए how many bricks I will use? How to find out this? Can anyone guess? Please raise your hand. Raise your virtual hand and then I'll give you a chance to speak. Yes, Pranshu.
Ma'am, it was on by mistake. My hand was touched.
Okay. Yes, Devanshi.
Ma'am, first we will find the volume of wall and the bricks, and then we will divide or do like that, and we will get the answer.
Yes, yes, yes. Anyone else can try?
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, first we have to find the volume of the walls and bricks,
Hmm.
and then we have to divide the volume of the bricks with the wall, and the amount came divide or multiply, and the
Hmm.
amount came will be the bricks needed to make the wall.
Very good, very good. So this way only we find out. सबसे पहले हमें वॉल्यूम वॉल का पता होना चाहिए. So volume of wall, when we find out, we multiply this and find the volume of wall. Then we find the volume of brick. कि brick का volume कितना है? Start finding out and tell me the answer. What is the volume of wall and what is the volume of brick? First of all, wait a minute. I'll write the question. Everyone has to write the question first.
And still the board is. I can see the board half only.
Pranchu, if I move it further, no, it will fall down now.
Maybe it's 2700. Volume of wall.
Write in the chat.
2700.
Write in the chat box. Let me write the question. How many? Aryan, my board is clearly visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Question is how many bricks? How many bricks of size? Pranchu, should I come to your home and close this your mic? You children are writing 2700 of wall what? Volume, no? So volume, how you will write the volume of a cuboid? Only 2700 wall.
नेट वो करा जा रहे कई क्लास है हमला मैथ्स मैथ्स में जाओ
Jash Ruparelia, please mute your mic. Wait a minute. I'll switch on with another account because if you're facing some network issues.
No, ma'am, it's clear.
It's okay.
And yeah, ma'am, it is proper. And your mic is also proper.
Please see my now board is clear.
Yes, ma'am. It's
Yes.
clear.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Let me take the
The
attendance.
board is very blurred.
Yeah, ma'am.
Please,
Now
my,
Yeah.
now it
my
is very
dear.
clear.
Wait a minute. I'm taking attendance for a while. Okay. Now please check.
No, ma'am. First it was clear.
Ma'am, you are blurred. It is a little blur.
Yes, ma'am. Now it is.
Ma'am, now it's clear.
Okay. For a
Now
while.
it is clear.
एक दो मिनट के ऐसे लिए होगा. Adjust. Try to cooperate. So how many bricks of size 15 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter
2750
will be needed
Ma'am, after 6 have you written 3?
how many bricks of size 15 centimeter 6 centimeter 3 centimeter will be needed to build a wall of size 45 centimeter 12 centimeter and third unit is 5 centimeter. Find the how many number of bricks needed. So what you have to find out first, you need to find out the volume of brick, volume of
Ma'am, I got the volume of bricks.
volume of bricks.
I have written in the
equals
chat.
to- Volume of bricks equals to 15 centimeter multiplied by 6 centimeter multiplied by 3 centimeter equals to, let me find out what is the answer. And if you have already already find out, please write in the chat box. This is volume coming. So volume will come in cubic and the unit which is used here. Again and again, I think I should not repeat the same thing. You should now, by the time 2 weeks have already passed, you should know what to be used. 15 into 6 into 3, it's 270 cubic centimeter. So after getting the volume of brick, you need to find out the volume of wall. That is 45 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter multiplied by 5 centimeter. So 45 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 5 is 2700 cubic centimeter. जब दोनों का वॉल्यूम आ गया, so you need to find out. I'm going to erase the question. Either take the screenshot or please take a photo. I'm going to erase this question now. Daksh Patel, very good. If you are doing by yourself, your answers are right. Many of the times I have noted you giving the good answers. Now, you need to find out number of bricks. Third step is we need to find out number of bricks. So we write volume of a wall because volume of a wall is greater than a volume of a brick. So greater number will come up. Volume of a wall divided by volume of a brick. And volume of a wall is 2700 cubic centimeter. And volume of a brick is 270 cubic centimeter. So from this, when you divide it, what will come? 2700 divided by 270. We need 10 bricks. Why cube will not come? Why cubic will not come? Why centimeter will not come? Because ये पूरे से ये पूरा कट जाएगा ना. Cubic centimeter से cubic centimeter cancel.
Yes, ma'am.
Cubic centimeter से cubic centimeter cancel. When you divide 2700 divided by 270, now the number of bricks are 10. Clear?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, see mine.
No, I am not going to see anyone's. Good if you have done good. Write the answer in the chat box. Okay. Your answer is same as like mine. Your answer is same. I'm asking Om Patel.
Yes, ma'am. It's 10 bricks.
Wait a minute. Now I want to explain you. Okay. And now we do some real life demonstrations. See, I have one cuboid box. Which shape is this? Cuboid. Okay. The shape of this is cuboid. Now, when I measure the length and the breadth and the height of this box, I want कि ये shape का जो box है, वो कितने boxes इसके अंदर आएंगे? So what should I do now? क्या करूं? Just now I explained one thing.
Ma'am, you should first find
Raise your hand. Josh Ruparelia, we have one facility, raising your hand, virtual hand. And then I give you a Daksh Patel. Switch on your camera. Yes, Daksh Patel. Will you explain me?
Ma'am,
Haan
first
ji.
we have to do volume of this big box. Then this small box.
Then what we will do?
Then we will do small box in big box. Put in big box.
How you will find out how many boxes will come in this?
From volume. Divide.
Divide the volume of which box to which box?
Small box to and big box.
Yes.
Ma'am, may I say through it?
Yes, Aheli.
Yes,
Aheli. Can
yes,
you
ma'am.
please tell me how I will find out that how many these small boxes will come in this big box?
Ma'am, first of all, you will find the volume of both of the boxes, and then
Hmm.
you'll divide them, the
Hmm.
volume of big box and the small box, and then
Yes.
the answer which comes will be
Hmm.
the number of boxes which can
Number
fit.
of boxes. We will not use any unit here because it will come in the number of boxes. So I have measured this and approximately I'm going to erase the board. Have you all done this? Show me thumbs up. Completed? Yes. Now, for example, if I measure this with the inch tape, children, this kind of inch tape you can use to measure the big things. One side, the measurement is in the inches. If you are measuring in the inches, your answer will also come in inches. Another side, it is in centimeters. If you are measuring, taking the centimeter side, your answer will also come in the centimeter. So I have taken from the centimeter side and I have measured the length, which is approximately 20 centimeter, and the breadth, which is approximately 11 centimeters, and the height, which is 9 centimeters. So first of all, I need to find out
Ma'am,
the volume of this box. Yes, Om Patel?
ma'am, can you write all the
Yeah, I'm writing.
centimeter in the chat box?
I'm writing here on the board. 20 centimeter and 11 centimeter and 9 centimeter iska aaya. The length, breadth, and height, the three dimensional of this big box. Then I
Okay,
have
ma'am.
taken the small box because I need to fit these small boxes in the big box. So I need the volume of this also, and I need the three dimensional, three lengths of this box also. So when I measure this, it's looking like a cube, but it's not cube. Somewhere it is, the height is little smaller. So it's another one. This small box is also in a cuboid. So the length is 5.5 centimeter, breadth is 5.5 centimeter, and the height is approximately 4.
Oh my God,
Okay.
the
So
answer of the
first
big
you
box.
need to find out the volume of
I have
this,
multiplied.
find the volume of this, and then divide it and tell me the answer in the chat box. Find out fast.
Ma'am, your
Ma'am,
head is
can
covering the question. Yeah,
Yes?
ma'am, now it is visible.
Please write it in the chat box. Yes, Nishika, your answer is 19.80 is right for one volume. Find the another volume of the small box and find how many number of boxes can fit in this big box.
Ma'am, it's 5 multiplied by what? Because your screen is coming
5
blurred.
multiplied by 5.5 multiplied by 5.5 multiplied by 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Devanshi, 121.00 centimeter for the another one. 5.5 multiplied 5.5 multiplied by
no,
4.
ma'am, it is written by mistake.
My dear, if you do in exam some mistakes, it will be completely wrong. There the teacher will not come and ask you why Devanshi you have done this. Mannat, volume of, you are finding the volume. Cubic word will also be used with these two volumes.
Ma'am,
Yes, Yashvi.
ma'am, you will take revision of 12, 13, 14 chapter.
No, I will take the revision of 12 and 14 chapter and I will take the assessment.
Okay, ma'am.
Children, wait a minute. I'm taking the attendance. Do not disturb me in between. So once Daksh Patel, again I remind you, you are finding the volume. So here the word cubic will use. So the volume of this small box is 121 cubic centimeter. And the volume of the big box was 1980 cubic centimeter. After finding the volume of both the boxes, you need to divide and find the number of boxes fitted in this. Please write the answer in the chat box.
Ma'am, I have write small also.
Ma'am.
121.00 centimeter.
Yeah, 0.00 has no value. Very good, Arna. Very good, Vedansh, that you have find out 16. So you please write number of boxes are 16.
Ma'am, in this one we have read the remainder.
Remainder, yeah, remainder is coming, but if it is less than 5, we ignore it. Okay.
Okay.
अगर डेसिमल के बाद आपका आ रहा है 16.3, 16.4 और 16 point something, पर अगर वो less than 5, we ignore it and we take the complete number. So it will be 16 number of boxes will come. थोड़ी सी space बच जाएगी क्योंकि उसके अंदर पूरा box तो आएगा ही नहीं ना, it's only 16.3. तो 16.3 का कौन सा box आप उसके अंदर डालोगे measurement का, right? So if the values are less than 5, we ignore it. 0.5 तक का भी आएगा तो how you will put the half box inside it, right? So half box भी उसमें नहीं आएगा, so we leave space, but the complete boxes are 16. Understood how to find the volume? कोई भी अगर आपसे पूछे कि how many boxes, for example, now this is the general example which you face every day in your life. What is this in my hand?
Palette.
Ice tray.
Ice tray, right? Yes.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, how to multiply this 5.5 multiplied by 5.5 these decimals?
Ignore the decimal, my dear. I have given 2 worksheets based on that. Ki how to find the decimal multiplication.
55.
Ma'am, I was just checking
Take it
that
as
my method is
55.
right or wrong.
Take it as 55. Multiply by 55. Multiply by 4. In the final answer, after decimal 1 digit is here. After decimal 1 digit is here. So when the final answer, from the back, count the 2 digit and put the decimal. Okay. Okay, one more thing I want to remind you again now. This one more example we take, which we face in our daily life. This is what in my hand, as you all said, this is the ice tray, right?
Yes.
And I want to find out how many small cubes, or we say the rectangular cuboid shape ice cubes will come in this. कैसे find करेंगे? कितने आएंगे? ये तो आपको इससे दिख रहा है. You will count.
Ma'am, 12.
But how? How? ये तो आपने count कर दिया. आपको मैं नहीं दिखाऊं. I just only give you some dimensionals दे दूं मैं. ये length है, ये breadth है, ये height है. Ice tray का. और ice cube.
Ma'am, we have to find the volume.
The length
Again,
Ma'am, length multiplied by breadth multiplied by
yes, length, breadth, और
length
इसकी height
multiplied
होती
by
है.
breadth multiplied by height.
Yes, length multiplied by breadth by height. This is the height of your ice cube tray. ठीक है? जब आपने ये तीनों डायमेंशनल आइस ट्रे के ले लिए, अब आपको तीनों डायमेंशनल अंदर की स्पेस के भी चाहिए, right? So when you find out the length, breadth and height of this one, एक का आ जाएगा.
So, ma'am, we will multiply
So you will multiply, you will find the volume of the complete tray, you will find the volume of the small space which is given, and then
we will
you
divide.
will divide and you will find out how many ice cubes will come in this ice tray. Yeah.
Excuse me, ma'am. So, ma'am, there are some ovals which has space between. So, like we can't find the absolute
Yeah,
volume of this
it
tray.
will come in approximately. Because here the space
Yes,
is
ma'am.
there, na? You can take some another tray which is not having space. उसमें exact आ जाएगा, right? This is also a kind of ice tray. You take the length, breadth and take the height. फिर इस वाले बॉक्स का एक का हाइट लेंथ ब्रेथ लोगे एंड देन डिवाइड एंड फाइंड. ओके, आई हैव अनदर जिसमें और छोटे छोटे क्यूब्स हैं. इसका भी लेंथ ब्रेथ एंड हाइट यू विल टेक एंड देन दिस इज 1 सेंटीमीटर, सो वॉल्यूम इज 1 सेंटीमीटर. यू नो, दिखने से पता लग रहा है. मेजर भी करके देख सकते हो व्हाट इज द लेंथ ब्रेथ एंड हाइट ऑफ दिस स्मॉल एंड देन डिवाइड एंड फाइंड आउट कितने आएंगे. आप अपने घर की आइस ट्रेज यूज करो, उसका वॉल्यूम फाइंड आउट करो एंड देन सी हाउ मेनी.
Divide by 1.
Yeah, here the volume is what? 1 into 1 into 1. Volume is 1. So you divide it by the 1. Okay. इसकी length, breadth, height आपको पता लग गई. The volume of big tray if you find out, then you have to write the volume of this small box. And the volume of small box approximately हमें 1 ही दिख रहा है, right?
1 centimeter.
Yeah.
So, ma'am, if we will,
Ma'am, so we have multiplied the volume by 1.
ma'am,
Yeah, divide by 1. And then you find out how many number of cubes are coming in this ice tray. But this is I have at my home. आपके पास आपके घर पे जो ice trays हैं, जो boxes हैं, मम्मा आपको एक box दे देती है. Take this cheese box. Okay, cheese box ले लो. Cheese box का volume find out करो. इसके अंदर कितने cheese के cubes आएंगे, उसका भी volume ले लो, इसका भी volume ले लो. Then you will find out कि इसके अंदर कितने cheese cubes आ सकते हैं. Am I clear?
Ma'am, we only have to find one cheese cube volume and the box volume.
हाँ, पर आपको नंबर ऑफ निकालना है ना कि नंबर ऑफ कितने आएंगे. तो एक का पता है. जयवाल, प्रांशु, वेट अ मिनट.
Ma'am,
हाँ जी.
ma'am, so we will find the volume of the cheese cube and the box and we will divide. So we will
Yes.
get the answer.
अभी तक हम यही पढ़ते आ रहे हैं ना. You will get the answer कि इसके अंदर ये कितनी चीजें फिट हो जाएंगी. एक का वॉल्यूम पता हो गया, दूसरे का भी वॉल्यूम पता है. मैं चाहती हूँ कि आई वांट टू नो दैट इसके अंदर कितने आइस चीज क्यूब आएंगे. सो आई शुड नो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस बॉक्स. आई शुड नो द वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ क्यूब, आइस क्यूब. सो वो कितने आएंगे इसके अंदर. आरना, डोंट गेस, टेक द बॉक्स, मेजर इट. But according to me, इसके अंदर 8 आते हैं. You are telling 6. That's why I'm telling you to measure it. आज measure करके देखना आपके घर में जो भी box है. If you want कि you have taken some box randomly, कोई बड़ा box ले लिया, कोई छोटा box ले लिया, and you want to find कि मैं चाहती हूँ इसके अंदर ये कितने box आएंगे. और for example, I want to know इस box के अंदर ये वाले box कितने आएंगे. तो दोनों का volume मुझे पता होगा. तो I'll divide and find out. है ना. किसी के अंदर कुछ
length and breadth are same.
Who said length and breadth are same? Why are this Aryan, you feel that length and breadth are same? What the concept I'm explaining you that Yes, please, Daksh Patel, go and drink water. Pranshu, why you unnecessary unmute your mic? कुछ काम है प्रांशु? बीच में again and again.
ma'am, today I have bring the thick paper and that come in the class. And what is? And we will do that.
You brought?
That thick paper or that postcard one we have to do now. So ma'am, I have
You
bring all the.
have material? You
Yes,
have material?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
We will do, or either we will do it tomorrow. Either we will do today or we will do it tomorrow. Am I clear?
Yeah.
So now you find out, now you will, it will be easy. आपके लिए कोई बड़ा सा कोई आपको बॉक्स लाके दे दे एंड बोले कि इसके अंदर ये छोटे छोटे बॉक्सेस फिट करना है. सो आपको पहले चेक करना होगा क्या ये फिट हो पाएंगे, क्या कितने बॉक्सेस इसके अंदर आएंगे. सो आपको अगर बड़े बॉक्स का वॉल्यूम पता है, छोटे बॉक्स का वॉल्यूम पता है, आप नंबर ऑफ बॉक्सेस निकाल सकते हो. आपको बड़े वॉल का वॉल्यूम पता है, आपको 1 ब्रिक का वॉल्यूम पता है. सो यू कैन इजीली फाइंड आउट कि कितनी ब्रिक्स यूज हो रही है.
Yes.
Good. So have you understood today's concept, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes. So children, as I told you to bring the... Yes, Vrishang?
Ma'am, I didn't understand 5.5 that one.
Rishank, I think you have not attended or you are not doing practice at home of the decimal numbers. Yesterday, please switch on your camera, Rishank. I want to see you. Switch on your camera.
Ma'am, my camera is not working.
Vishank, in our last class also I explained you how to multiply the decimal numbers. We already done one complete chapter how to do the decimal numbers, how to divide, how to multiply, how to add. So please start doing the practice of how to multiply.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, how to multiply the decimal numbers. You first ignore the decimal.
Ma'am, I have
Pहले
written
mute
in the
करो.
chat box.
Yeah, Om has written the method. Prashant, mute yourself first. You first ignore the decimal. अब decimal को ignore करो. Take it as 55. Multiply by 55. Multiply by 4.
Number. Please
When the
check the
final
number
answer...
and dial again.
Ma'am,
When the final... it's okay. It's okay. Sometimes network problem. 55 multiplied by 55 when the final answer will come. Multiplied 4 when again one more answer will come. And then put the decimal after 2 digit. Why after 2 digit from the back? Because here also after decimal 1 digit. Here also after decimal 1 digit. So we count the 2 digits from the back in the final answer and put the decimal. Understood, Rishank, now?
Yes, ma'am.
Rishank, I request you to please multiply and learn the decimal numbers, and then if you have any doubt, ask me in my next class. Okay,
ma'am.
Okay, children, as I told you to bring a cube which you have made in your class, right, at home.
Ma'am, I have made.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have also made it.
Can you, it is given on your page number. It is given on your page number 194 of your textbook. After making this with the same dimensional which are given in your textbook, आपने जो proper measurement से बनाया, can you measure the length, breadth and height of this textbook, this cube? इसको खेलने के लिए नहीं लाए हैं निशिका हम यहाँ. We are going to do activity. Take scale, take ruler, measure the length, breadth and height, those who have made that cube, and tell me what is the answer. Length, breadth and height of this cube, measure it and tell me what is the answer. Because it's a cube, so you should be aware that I think all will come different or all will come same. It's a cube.
Ma'am, it will come same.
Yes, all
Ma'am.
dimensional will come same.
Ma'am, it's 7.6 centimeter.
Let me check if others.
Ma'am, it's 5.4.
If you have made with the same dimension, which is given in your textbook, 19.5 centimeter side.
Ma'am, I was not having that big paper.
Okay, so what the difference is, like, see, आपने जो लिया है paper you have taken up
8 centimeter.
8, किसी का 8 आता है, तो you please write on page number 194, write length is 8 centimeter, width is 8 centimeter, height is 8 centimeter. But if you take this 19.5 exact centimeter, आपका जो height, length and width है, yes sir, Riva, we are not here for playing with the pens. जो length, breadth and height है, if you take the exact measurement which is given in your textbook, the length, breadth and height will come 7 centimeter. Am I clear?
Ma'am, I have got 7 centimeter only.
Yeah.
Ma'am, but I have taken the same measurement and it's 7.5 centimeter.
It's okay. So you write 7.5 length, 7.5. जो अभी आपने बनाया, because you have made this, you have made with the correct measurement. If then write जो भी आपका आया है, ठीक है?
Ma'am, may I show you my cube?
Yeah, please show me. And on the basis of this, children, today I am, yes, very good. Today I am giving you a brief description on the activity which is given on your page number, and then I want you to demonstrate tomorrow in my class. Page number 196. 196 में there is a postcard given. Postcard, you all know, in early days we used to write a letter in the postcard, है ना? छोटे से
Yes,
letter
ma'am.
लिख के. I'll show you the postcard also tomorrow. First, either the postcard or अगर आपके घर पे postcard नहीं है तो ऐसी thick sheet ले लेना. Thick sheet जो hold कर सको, paper नहीं लेना, because this is not comfortable to hold. Why I am telling thick sheet? तो आपको comfortable होगी hold करने में. And please be ready for this activity tomorrow. I want you to demonstrate. बच्चे demonstrate करेंगे, you demonstrate, right? So they are telling, if you don't have postcard, you take the length 14 centimeter and take the breadth 9 centimeter paper, right? Then what you have to do, you have to hold it first widthwise. तो ये कौन से शेप में आ गया? Pipes, you all know pipes देखे हैं आपने? Pipe बना दिया हमने एक width में fold करके. Yes. So this is one pipe, and this is which shape? Cylindrical shape.
Cylinder.
या सिलेंडर. तो एक पाइप आप ऐसे बनाएंगे, देन आप इसको लेंथ वाइज फोल्ड करके आएंगे. प्लीज टेक 4 पोस्ट कार्ड्स और 4 पेपर शीट्स, पेस्ट इट विद द सेलो टेप and make the different pipes the way they are telling you. So this is this is also cylinder, but this is lengthwise thing. Yes.
Ma'am, can we leave for our reading class?
Yes. Those who have it, they can leave.
Bye, ma'am.
No, say bye.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
And then we fold it in the lengthwise. So the difference is paper वही था, size वही थी. एक का आपने width में fold किया तो उसकी height कम हो गई, but वो उसका जो hollow shape है वो ज्यादा बड़ा हो गया. And जब आपने उसको length में fold किया, then उसकी height बड़ी हो गई और वो उसका जो circle है, जो cylindrical part जो है, that is smaller, छोटा हो गया. So you have to do the experiment कि किसके अंदर sand ज्यादा आ रही है. जो हमने width में fold किया उसके अंदर sand ज्यादा आ रही है, और जो हमने length में fold किया उसमें आ रही है. और you fold it into the square also. एक square shape में all the instructions are given here. Square shape में किया तो उसमें ज्यादा आ रही है, और ट्रायंगल फॉर्म में हमने इसको फोल्ड किया तो किसमें सेंड ज्यादा आ रही है, किसका वॉल्यूम ज्यादा है. ट्रायंगुलर में भी आप उसको फोल्ड करके लेके आ सकते हैं. सो यू हैव टू डू दिस एक्टिविटी फर्स्ट एट होम एंड देन कम टुमारो प्रिपेयर. एम आई क्लियर विद यू ऑल?
So, ma'am, we have to take some paper.